Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to look at Selleramp and Keepa and pick products to sell for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys to join again my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly calls, and it's also a good place for you Amazon sellers to network with other sellers. So I'm going to put the invitation below, the link below in my description, and you guys can join it. And yeah, with that said, so on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to um, do product research, right? Using Selleramp and Keepa. So you open up your Amazon link here, your Amazon page, and then you open up your supplier page. And the first thing that you should do is you should double check if the products match. So you can look at the title, photos, description, size of the product. So I tell people it's very similar to grocery shopping. You know, if someone gives you a list, right, you just got to make sure that you're getting the exact same product that you're buying from a grocery store. So yeah, so this one is what? Ascend Jamar. Okay, looks good. Same. Yeah, looks like the same product to me. The price is $22.99, so we plug it here. The cost $22.99, and then it's looking like it's giving us a 24% ROI, and it sales per month. It's giving you 350 sales a month. It is a variation though, so I would go to variation. Click at the variation. So here's the exact variation. Check it, search it. Oh wow, it's not working out. So this one's not working. So I would use Keepa to do the variation check. So I would go to data, or sorry, track product. What? It's not showing variations here either. Wait a second. Yeah, it's supposed to be here, but let me refresh it quick. All right, there are variations, right? On your Keepa chart, and then you pick the variation, which is sorry, let's double check. So 3.75 by 10 by 12. So 3.75 by 10 by 12. So this one, so this variation is getting 64% of the sales, right? So I would take 64% of this number, which is 350 times 0.64 is 224 sales a month, right? So this product is selling at 224 sales a month. It's giving you a 24% ROI. Yeah, and then now here, you would have to decide if you're willing to share 224 sales a month with these other sellers with this much inventory, right? So, and then here, I usually look at the Keepa chart. I usually look at the price fluctuation. So this one's pretty stable. If you look at the pink line, it's been selling at like $40, $41, and then up here it's kind of like trending up, price going up, and then here the seller count's pretty stable, right? Seller count, I mean the review count is also going up, so it's good. So yeah, I think this one's a good product because I'm willing to share 224 sales a month with these other sellers, and I'll be getting a 24 to 100% ROI depending on where I price it. So I think this one's a good one. And if you guys agree or disagree, please comment below in the comment section and let's hear what your opinion on the product, right? All right, next one. So next one is so Weissman was itchy right now. Was itchy. So OXO Good Grips Tub and Tile Scrubber Refill. Okay, setup 2. So it looks like the same product. So this product is selling at about $7 per piece. So 2 piece is $14, right? And then here, um, so it's giving you 44 sales a month at 27% ROI. And then let's see the competition. So 44 sales a month, right? And there's 13 sellers here. It's giving you a 27% ROI. And then if you look at the Keepa chart, I mean, it's looking good. You know, it's pretty stable. Price used to be at 24, and now it's up to like 29, $30. I mean, the only concern here though is the seller count is trending up also, which means there's more and more seller count or sellers joining the listing, which makes this kind of risky because the sales volume or the sales per month is only giving you 44, right? So 44 sales a month, with 13 sellers at the moment. So this one's gonna be up to you. I mean, I would say it's decent, but the only issue here is that there's a lot of sellers that are joining the listing, right? So the seller count here, the purple line, is trending up. So, but outside of that, I think it's decent. So this one, I say I would just circle back on this one. So I would mark this on your sheet as something that you might check in the future, just because I think this is a stable product. Yeah, if you look at the green graph, the BSR or the sales rank is it's pretty stable, staying there. I mean, the price is pretty okay too. So I think I would just be on the lookout for this product to see if there's any changes. Um, yeah. So again, data looks good, right? It's giving you a decent ROI, but the only concern is the low sales per month of 44, and also the increase in seller count. So yeah, hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my free trainings every week and also network with other sellers. And with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.